We're out here at this Parkville Nature Trail. Got the kids. Don't know much about it, never been here. But it's beautiful weather. So we're gonna go hang out. Maybe we'll see some wildlife or something. It'd be pretty cool. Now we're just hanging out right next to some fields too. We're gonna see what happens. It'd be pretty cool. So stay tuned with us here for YouTube every day. All right, y'all. Coming back.
We have a picture on that. I remember from Dad's.
Look at this. Climbing a tree. Phoenix? 1 minute, okay. Hi. What are you doing? Wow, he's falling down, crazy girl.
Come on, try staying on the
Jump. Jump, baby, jump. Bam. Look at that. But it's pretty fun out here. Super nice. Beautiful weather. There's supposed to be a pretty cool waterfall that we can find and see where it's at and what it's all about. What's up? I have no idea why this kid wants to walk over these unstable logs. No change of clothes. Phone in hand. Yeah, not a good idea, is it?
Nope.
Didn't think so.
That was not good. It was wobbly.
Hell with that. Not sure what this is. We're gonna figure it out. Real super old ancient area we're in here. Oh man. Not sure what this is. Find any ghosts in there? We're gonna figure it out.
Yeah, it is. We call it the Devil's Chamber. Yeah.
It's real super old ancient area.
So I could
we're in
easily
here.
go through that if they wanted to.
Paxton, go the other end.
Oh dang,
Man.
it looks so much brighter on camera.
That's pretty cool.
Look, you can see your breath when he talks.
Find any
when he
ghosts in
talks.
there?
It's almost like a hideout for
Like really
refugees.
Yeah, it is. Wait, let's go on
What did
we
the
call
sign
the
say
Devil's
on it?
Chamber. Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Where we at?
Old.
So I could easily go through that.
playing at the park.
Yeah, are we on a
Paxton, go the
trail?
other end.
Oh dang, it looks so much brighter on camera.
Okay. Let's just keep
You can see
walking.
your breath when he talks. When you talk.
It's almost like a hideout for refugees.
Long bridge.
Wait, let's go on
What
the
did the
other
sign
side.
say on it? Oh, it goes up to there. You can do that.
What the?
Found a couple mallards, a hen and a drake. I love shooting them ducks. Too bad the season's over. Until next year.
So next
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
Ah, ha. Get it, Paxton. Walking up this rocky trail. Who knows where the heck it leads. Well, we're gonna make the trek. We're gonna get there one way or another. Tired or not, we're gonna push through. We're gonna make it all the way up. Yeah, buddy.
Dad, look at my face.
I tell you what, these trails walking on the rough terrain path, whew, makes me feel like I'm out of shape. I always seem to pride myself being in good shape. This is kicking my booty. Then again, I'm trying to walk slow because NCAA March Madness. Trying to listen to the KU game. It's close right now. Just started the second half. Rock Chalk Jayhawk, baby. You know me. Don't forget, guys. Gotta stay hydrated. Gotta keep kids hydrated. Don't wanna Want anybody to fall out, right? Get it, girl.
The camera makes it look so much brighter.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Everybody's doing it. One hell of a tree. Massive root ball. Phoenix, go get up there. Let's get a picture by the big tree. Come on, guys. Hadley, I told you to stop.
They're getting a picture with
You gotta get in the truck. Hey, get up there. Go get a picture, dude. Phoenix, turn around, babe. Paxton, get in there now. Phoenix, turn around.
I can get up there.
Look at those.
Hey guys, look at me. You guys
What's
are not
she
paying
doing with her
attention.
tongue?
Come on, Phoenix, look at Daddy. Look at me. Smile. Okay, we'll get these three. Well, works for me.
It is so. Daddy. Daddy.
You find the waterfall yet?
Nope.
I don't think we're ever gonna find it. We're in the middle of butt fucking Egypt here. Yo!
Yeah, we apparently went to the wrong side, and so, you know, I can't do that. Say hi.
Hi. Austin.
Yeah.
Daddy. Can Dad say hoi-ya? I do. Dad, go. Hoi-ya. I do it like that.
Oh yeah.
Hoi-ya.
Oh yeah.
Hoi-ya.
Fifi, you saying hoya?
Say it.
Hoi-ya. Hoi-ya. Filming a YouTube channel by myself with my voice.
Let the people know what you're talking about.
So we're on a mountain. Well, not a mountain, but a hill, and we are going
Feels
to a
like a death
waterfall.
trail.
A what?
It's the trail of death.
Why do you say that?
Look how steep it is.
We're going on a waterfall, baby.
Yeah, it's pretty steep.
Baby.
Oh, look, there's like a little platform over here.
Oh, y'all bad, y'all put.
He's watching the KU game with his AirPods in, so.
And we are gonna go over to the waterfall. Dad, look at my shoe. This hill's steep, but I think we could work it.
It up.
Yeah, if it was steep.
So we're almost like not even 3/4 of the way, not even halfway there. We're still on the total opposite side. So,
Hey,
yeah.
keep them a few and far between.
Huh?
Keep them few and far between.
What's that mean?
I can't fucking edit 1,000 separate things.
So we think this Old Cape Trail leads to the waterfall,
You guys?
but we're not sure. We've got like directions. Oh gosh, here comes this fat man. He caught us hoyang, and so yeah, it's probably not the best look. That man.
This used to be a massive waterfall. There's nothing. We are not even in a drought. We just got like 3 inches of rain last night. No water. Oh, Phoenix. Like I said, this used to be a waterfall. No idea what happened to it. That was the main thing we came for. And it's gone.
Daddy.
I really don't know what's going on anymore. Every single kid is soaking wet. And I gotta put them in my truck. Anybody who knows me knows I'm a neat freak.
Look at my foot.
But on the bright side, KU won, mother suckers. Right here.
Put this with my collection.
Rock Chalk Jayhawk.
My shoes got
Rock
wet.
Chalk Jayhawk. Going on to the Sweet 16, baby.